Alright you guys, welcome to this REDODO lithium iron phosphate battery unboxing, test, and review video. We have another Group 31 size battery, but in even a bigger capacity than the last one. We have a 165 amp hour battery in the Group 31 size. That's awesome to see these batteries get more and more compact. Let's open it up and see what we got. Got a quick start guide, a product manual, which are usually very handy and very well done. Got a nice quick start guide. I see there, got your bolts in the top pad here. Make sure you get those out and set aside. And a nice, beautiful, new, shiny REDODO battery. I like these batteries. I've used them for quite a few different things. They are going to be my battery of choice for what I put in this RV here when that's completed. Never let me down. They all seem to work very good. Got lots of capacity. This of course has the low temp cutoff, which will prevent the battery from charging or discharging in below freezing temperatures. It's got the Bluetooth 5.0, so you can check on the voltage, the remaining capacity of the battery with just your phone. It's got the handy QR code on the top for both Android and Apple to get the app, and then the QR code for the battery itself to sync up within the app. It's a very easy process. Love being able to see remotely how much voltage I have on the battery or how many watts I'm using, amps, all that stuff. This 12 volt, 165 amp hour Bluetooth lithium ion battery is the latest product from REDODO. It combines a 165 amp hour capacity with a compact Group 31 size and achieves the highest output power on the market in its class at 2,112 watts. It packs 65% more capacity than a 100 amp hour battery and can easily power high demand appliances and multiple devices simultaneously. This battery is perfect for RVers and campers, especially in tight spaces where extra capacity is essential. It's also a great fit for off-grid setups, marine use, and home backup power. This Group 31 size 165 amp hour battery has 65% more capacity than a 100 amp hour battery, replaces 3 100 amp hour lead acid batteries while saving 147 pounds and 66% of space. Market leading high power 165 amp BMS with max continuous output power of 2,112 watts easily powers high demand devices. Plus, it can handle surge currents of 825 amps for 1 second and a surge of 495 amps at 5 seconds. Reinforced with a metal plate structure to enhance heat dissipation and cell fixation capabilities, extend battery life, and ensure safety. This battery has a smart Bluetooth 5.0 monitoring and low temperature charging protection. Monitor remaining capacity, cycle count, voltage, current, and more with the REDODO app. Got over 20 protections on their top-notch BMS. Overcharge, over discharge, over current, short circuit, high temp, low temp, auto recovery after overload protection, salt spray resistance, and moisture proof. And this battery has a warranty of 5 years. Alright, you just scan that QR code on the top with your phone. Basically just look at it with your camera. If your camera doesn't automatically recognize QR codes, you might have to get a QR code reader app, or you can probably just search REDODO in your app store. I haven't tried it, but I'll bet if you search REDODO, the app will pop right up. So get the app on the phone. And here is the REDODO app. Got 2 batteries on there already. So let's go ahead and add a third. We'll add via QR code. Actually, Bluetooth is on, so we should be able to scan it just via Bluetooth. Automatically searching. And this is the B00220. That would be this top one. Connection successful. And then we'll go into the device. And there we are, charged to 50%. So I'll need to get this battery charged up, give it a good test. Might have to wake it up. If these don't have any power going to them, if you can't run any appliances, hook it up to a charger, it'll wake up the battery. 13.2 volts at 50%. You can see the temperature, life cycle, how many cycles you've used, how many times you've discharged it and fully charged it. That's one cycle. Menu's looking good, easy to read. You can also check your cells. Battery is in optimal condition. BMS is working normally. Pretty awesome deal. I love the app. You can also turn on and off the battery from here. This turns on and off the Bluetooth. Then down here you actually have, you can remove the device or just turn it off completely, which requires you to hook this up to a charger to turn it back on, because the whole battery will shut down. You don't have Bluetooth anymore. So there's for long-term storage, you might want to do that. Just completely shut off the battery. I'm gonna go ahead and charge up this battery with our 40 amp lithium charger from REDODO. You can also find this on their website, links below. They got smaller versions, and a bunch of other accessories you might need, like a DC to DC charger for your car. REDODO batteries, REDODO chargers, and much more. Be sure to check the links below. Alright, that took about 2 hours to charge up from 50%. It's now showing that it's in overcharge protection mode. And then it is also balancing the cells right now. That will take quite a few hours, I've noticed. It did this to one of my older batteries. Started balancing itself, and I was able to see that in the app. So I made sure to leave that connected to the charger as it balances out the cells. I'm not sure if it needs the charger to do that, or if it's just, I'm not really sure what's going on right there, how it balances them out. But I will keep the charger connected until that finishes. But that battery is fully charged, ready to go, reading 173 amp hours. So we'll let that finish balancing, and I'll give it a test. Alright, I'm not quite ready to hook up a battery yet, since the RV systems are not yet installed. But I can show you where I'm going to hook it up. Alright, I'll be using one of these REDODOs for an RV battery, and that'll go somewhere over here near the door. Got a couple holes for a negative and a positive, or I just need a positive coming from the alternator and the ground somewhere. I'll probably run it through there and ground it on the frame. Bring in a good connection. So alternator in, going to a REDODO DC to DC lithium battery charger. I believe this is also 40 amp. So alternator in to the DC to DC charger. You mount it down here somewhere. And then this will connect to the battery. Battery will connect to an inverter to power the rest of the RV. However, we are not quite at that point yet. There's no wiring to hook it up to except for maybe the chassis, but that needs to be a starting battery. So we'll just give a quick test, maybe with a microwave, and see how this does. This battery puts out a lot more current, a lot more power at 2,112 watts continuous output power, so that is more than enough to run a microwave, maybe even my air compressor. Soon to be powered by a REDODO battery. Stay tuned for that. Can't wait to get it hooked up. Got a lot of work left to do though. All right, to test out this battery, I got one of my heaviest loads here, my air compressor. It's rated for about 1800 watts. Got a multimeter set up to keep an eye on amperage. Everything balanced, everything looking good. Sitting at 13.5 volts. Yeah, 13.5 down there. All right, let's see if this battery can handle the air compressor. Pulling 1900 watts. 2000 watts. Pulling 2100 watts. That's pretty impressive. All right, ran that no problem. Started pulling a lot more power once I got the leaks closed and the tank pressurizing. So that is actually a little closer to its rating than I thought it was. It says somewhere on here, I think it was 1800 was the rating for the wattage. This is 15 amps. Impressive amount of power coming out of this battery. I like it. 2112 watt continuous output. Continuous charge or discharge at 165 amps. That's nuts. All right, you guys, check out that link below and get you one of these awesome REDODO batteries with the Bluetooth and all the safety stuff with the BMS, battery protection, low temp cutoff, overcharge protection. Check them out. Links below.